is a letter from Mr. George Kenoti to the DPP, and it has been exhibited liberally in some of the related proceedings where you were involved. I was shocked to read it myself. It's an application for a warrant of arrest for Philip Mulgore, advocate. Because Haji refused to order my arrest, he should be removed.
Yep.
And you believe I should be arrested. And you said yes.
Yeah, but in what respect was that?
For forging the will.
Forging the will.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's what you said.
That's it.
And then I finished one question so that it ends on a good note. And I gave you the will at page 999, and you couldn't tell me which part was forged.
No.